Hi friends, this is Sudhir Modi, and in today's session we are going to discuss about one of the most important topic of advanced database management system, and that is data warehouse. So let's understand this topic data warehouse with the help of following question. Question first, what is data warehouse? Question second, what is the need or purpose of data warehouse? Question third, how it works. So let's understand these all questions taking one by one. First, what is data warehouse? Data warehouse is nothing but it is an informational model which is used to store large amount of historical data collected from various different sources or heterogeneous sources. Now understand this definition with the help of diagram. Suppose this is a data which is collected from various different sources. A, B, C, D, E. These all are the sources. Now let's understand this diagram with the help of architecture of data warehouse. Now architecture of data warehouse. Architecture of data warehouse consists of sources, warehouse and users. Sources can be anything, whether it would be operational or flat files. Warehouse consists of various types of data. Metadata, raw data. And users which uses this data warehouse. It provides features of three functions. First, analysis, mining and reporting. Now let's understand this architecture with the help of real life example. Suppose for an company or an organization, data warehouse is a single entity of version which collects all the data of that company and organization. Now we move on to our second question, that what is the need or purpose of data warehouse? Need or purpose of data warehouse. Now question arises, each organization or company have their own database. Then what is the need of data warehouse? So basically the idea behind using data warehouse is, first it provides features of analysis. Second, it stores large amount of data. Third, historical data. Ordinary database also used for storing that data, but in case of data warehouse, it uses large amount of data and which is historical in manner. Through analysis purpose, we can analyze the company trend through which one can make decision. So this is the main purpose using behind data warehouse. Working of data warehouse. To know the working of data warehouse, we consider ordinary database and data warehouse. Ordinary database work on the principle of online transaction procedure, whereas data warehouse works on online analysis procedure. It is works on current situation and it works on history principle. So this is all about working of data warehouse. Now we are taking some application of data warehouse. First application in government field. Data warehouse you data warehouse uses in government field to know the tax payment, to store whole government record. Now second application is social media. All the social media sites like WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter are working on the principle of data warehouse. So that's all from my side about data warehouse. I hope you all guys who are watching this video enjoy it, and please like my videos, share it and subscribe it. And at the end, it's my humble request to all of you guys that during this tough phase of lockdown, please follow our government instruction, stay safe, stay positive.